Welcome to the Imran Academy. I am discussing with you General Mathematics of 10th class, Punjab Textbook Board Lahore, Unit 6 Matrices and Determinants, Exercise 6.3. The first question is if A equals 214, 359, 453, B equals 0 to 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2, then find A plus B, number 1 A plus B, number 2 A minus B, number 3 B minus A, number 4 2A plus 3B, number 5 is 3A minus 4B, number 6 is A minus 2B. So let's start the first one, A plus B. So in place of A, I will write the matrix of A, which is 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 9, 4, 5, 3, plus B, B is 0 to 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2. And now let's add them. Corresponding entries will add with each other. This element will be added with this one, 2 plus 0. This second element will be added to the second one, 3 plus 1. Similarly 4 plus 5, 1 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 4 plus 1, 9 plus 4, 3 plus minus minus, 3 plus minus 2. So what is the answer? 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 1 plus 2 is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 6 is 11, 4 plus 1 is 5, 9 plus 4 is 13, 3 minus 2 plus minus minus, 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is a plus b. The first part is solved. Now let's move to the second part. The second part is a minus b. Two, 1, 4, 3, 5, 9, 4, 5, 3. This is a minus b, 0 to 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 2. Now the corresponding entries will be subtracted from each other. For example, the first element of A is this, that is 2. It will be subtracted from the first element of B, which is 0. So 2 minus 0. Corresponding entries. So what is the answer? Two minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 5 minus 6 is minus 1, and 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3 minus minus plus 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the answer to the question. Next part is b minus a. Again, let's write b first here. 0 to 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 2. Now just writing a 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 9, 4, 5, 3. Again, the corresponding entries will be subtracted from each other. 0 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1 minus 4, 4 minus 9, minus 2 minus 3. So the answer to the problem is 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 4 minus 9 is minus 5, and minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So this is the answer to the problem. So this is B minus A for you. Let's move to the next question. Next part is 2A plus 3B. So now I am gonna write A here, which is 214,359,453. Plus 3, and I'm gonna write B here, 0 to 1, 136, 5, 6 minus 2. Now just multiplying 2 with all the entries of A, that is 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 1, 2 times 5, 2 times 5, 2 times 4, 2 times 9, 2 times 3. Similarly, multiplying all the entries of B with 3. 3 times 0, 3 times 1, 3 times 5, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 6, 3 times 1, 3 times 6, 3 times minus 2. Okay, now simplifying this a bit, and let's see what happens. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 15, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 minus 2 is minus 6. Now again we'll add the corresponding entries. Adding the corresponding entries, for example 4 plus 0 next I have 6 plus 3, 8 plus 15, 2 plus 6, 10 plus 9, 10 plus 18, 8 plus 3, 18 plus 18, 6 plus minus 6. So let's see what is the answer. So this is the answer to the problem. Let's start the next one. 3a minus 4b.